So, good evening and welcome to the second day of Vedic mathematics. So, Kumud, Raju, have you gone through the first day, first video?
Yes, sir.
So, we were discussing why Vedic mathematics. Why should one learn Vedic mathematics? And the first answer to this is it helps to solve mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. Now, when we say that it helps to solve 10 to 15 times faster, why is it so? What is the reason behind it? And we understood that the first reason was the direction. Generally, we are writing from left to right, we are reading from left to right, and we are observing, or when we see something, that is from left to right. But whenever we are doing mathematical calculations, that is always right to left. And that was what was hindering our speed. That was what was delaying our speed. And when we take the example of 11 multiplication, entire speed changes. We were able to do all the calculations in a faster manner. So that was the first reason we found it. Right. So today we'll move further about that. So last question was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. And from this, we observed first thing, we were not multiplying. Rather, we were adding corresponding digits. That was our first observation. Second, that we were calculating from left to right.
Right.
Right, which we never thought of it. हमारे दिमाग में एक बात बैठी हुई है, राइट टू लेफ्ट ही मैथ्स होना है, क्योंकि दिस वाज taught to us by the teacher. This was what everybody does, and we have been following the same way from class 1. But immediately when I taught you, we observed that this was possible left to right. Now, if we have observed that, we'll move a bit forward. If there is no doubt linked to that, then I'll have a small test. My first question is 141 into 22. How will you do this? Just give me 1 second.
2662. 26462.
क्या राकेश?
26462. No.
क्या करते हो राकेश? जल्दबाजी में नहीं करना भाई.
282.
रटाते रटाते आप कहाँ गलती कर रहे हो?
3102.
3102 कैसे? How? See, answer. I'm not concerned about the answer. I just want to understand how do you do it. Yes, Raju, how do you do it?
First, 144 multiplied by 2 and next number set on.
Yes, Manisha, are you there? So, see, I would advise ki you should switch on your videos. Then only you'll be able to concentrate, focus on the class. Rakesh, dekho. See, very first thing, we started with the topic 11 multiplication. So, will I give you something which I have not taught? टीचर क्या वो पढ़ाता, वो टेस्ट देगा, नहीं पढ़ाया? So that was what I wanted you to observe. Yes, Raju. 141 into 22. What do you think?
Sorry, give me a minute. I'm just trying to recall everything. I'll try to interact as.
Oh, okay. No, by that time. Yes, Manisha. Manisha, am I audible?
May I, sir?
हाँ, बोलिए.
Sir, first we have to multiply it by 2. 282. Then by
Multiply by
adding
11.
corresponding digits, multiply by 11. corresponding digits we have to add 2 plus 8, that is 10.
नहीं नहीं
And
वो
the
उतना तो आप कर
carry-
लेंगे, that is agreed. Now
yes, sir.
see, that was what I was. So your first mind should go what the teacher has taught. I have. So remember, my topic was multiplication with 11 and its multiple. So what is this? If I will also attempt like this, the way you are doing, then it is not possible for me to do this mentally. Can I do these 3 steps mentally? 2 times multiplication, 1 time addition? Not possible. But if I just focus, just visualize. What to visualize? What is this? This is nothing but a multiple of 11. And that was our first
Multiple.
topic. So
Yes.
I can do it as 141 into 2 into 11. Very easily, mentally you can do 282 and 11
into
you
11.
learned that day mentally 3102. So see, this is called as visualization. I gave you an example when I was talking to you. Why do people who are appearing for IAS, the first question is asked, how many stairs did you climb? What is the reason? The reason is they want to check how much
Observation.
keen observer you are. And that was your test, which you failed.
Yes, sir.
See, need to understand that I will not ask something which I have not taught. Correct. And this is with every teacher, not me. Every time, every teacher will take care of the student. But here there is one confusion. The confusion is you said 141 into 2 is equal to. Now the question arises. You said but there is a backbencher. That backbencher says, why should I multiply with 2? Why not 11 and then 2? This is also correct. So now the confusion is which is appropriate answer. The first one or the second one?
First one would be appropriate.
Why?
Because it's a small number that we can do fast calculation. And
Small number
by-
of what?
Like small, there's a left hand side, we have small number, and on the right hand side, we always know how to multiply by 11, correct? And which is much faster.
Sir, in a second one, just we have to add the corresponding digits and just double of that. That's the better thing in that.
So you say the
Second one.
second method is better. Yes, Kumut?
In
सर
in
अगर
this problem.
क्वेश्चंस बड़े हो जाएंगे तो फिर into 11 then multiplied by 2 टफ हो जाएगा
The first या
हाँ.
second?
सेकंड वाले में
So
Second
what
one.
is more appropriate? First or second?
फर्स्ट वन
First one.
Yes, Manisha?
First one, sir.
क्यों?
Because it is easy, like multiply by 2. If it is bigger
let's-
number
Let's
also.
forget 2.
Okay.
Any multiple could be there. Now answer. Okay. So the first one is more appropriate. I'll give you the reason behind it. See, let's say I change this number to 141 into 99. Let's for example. Now 141 into 9 is easy or 1551 into 9 is easy? Of course, the first one.
First one is the
Also remember, last time what we did, we multiplied 40 numbers together with 11. Can you multiply such way with any other digit?
नो
That's the answer. So whenever you are coming across 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, and so on. Whenever you will be coming across this, first multiply with the multiplier. It will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever, 9. And then keep 11 till the last, because with 11 you can multiply any big number, not easily with these numbers. Correct. With 2, it was obviously, it was looking same. But with any other number, the things will change. Right? Okay. One more I'll give you. Yes. Now tell me.
First, we have to multiply by 11 and then 11.
7.
So this is 576 into 121 is nothing but 11 into 11. That means 576 into 11 will be 6, 3, 3, 6 into 11 means 6, 9, 6, 9, 6.
6,
So see,
6, 9, 6.
mentally you can multiply with 121, which was next to impossible in the normal, in the conventional way, because 3 times multiplication and 1 time addition you cannot do mentally. It is impossible. Got it? So this, but what is playing the role? If you remember, my first point was it enhances speed 10 to 15 times faster, Vedic maths. And for that, I gave you the first reason is direction. And you observed when we were moving from left to right, our direction was going faster. Second reason, very important reason, is independence of work. You can, I'll ask you a question. Today, if your maid is absent, so are you able to complete household jobs in a faster way or more slower? Yes. Kumud and Manisha, these
Slower, more slower.
More slower.
और स्लो हो जाते हो.
Hmm.
इसका मतलब आप मेरी बात को समझ नहीं पा रहे. कोई काम हम खुद करते हैं वो फास्ट होता है या पास ऑन कर देते हैं तो फास्ट हो जाता है?
नहीं सर, खुद करते हैं तो फास्ट होता है, बट जिस दिन
यही
मेड नहीं आती तो
मेड का एग्जांपल मैंने जरूर दिया, बट प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड व्हेन यू आर डूइंग समथिंग ऑन योर ओन, then you don't
Yes.
need to pass on the instructions first, then cross check, then so many things. So that means whenever you are doing independently, that work will be faster. Same is with Vedic maths. See, you are independent of paper and pen. आपको 11 की कैलकुलेशन में क्या पेपर की जरूरत पड़ी थी, पेन की जरूरत पड़ी शुरू में? बड़े में भी पड़ रही है because you are not having thorough practice. But initially you felt the calculation like this only. Now this calculation, if you remember 11, you can easily do. So that means you are neither using paper, neither using pen. And when you are independent of these two, your speed automatically increases. So example was that whenever you have to do something independently, that is much faster. And that is reason why Vedic maths is also faster. So first reason is direction. Second is independence. Now, third important reason, which we just saw. When we say we are doing without paper and pen, that means we are keeping some part of the calculations in our mind. Right? But how do we keep? Now that is called as observation first thing. That is called as visualization. The first step is always visualization. If you were able to visualize that 22 is nothing but multiple of 11, then only you can do the calculation. Otherwise, to nahi. Otherwise, it is a ordinary number for you. If you are not able to recognize that 121 is a multiple of 11, it is an ordinary number for you and you will follow the normal technique. So visualization plays an important role, and this visualization leads to reasoning. The moment you observe that 22 is multiple of 11, you find the reason. So first was observation, second was your reasoning, and this leads to logics. Yes, this is what we need to apply. So this VRL, in short, I call it as VRL. This is a life-changing process. And it is not only mathematics or Vedic maths. Try to adapt this thing in your life. And within 5 days, or let's say 7 days, you'll start feeling a change in your life. Just keep an eye, observe things very minutely, find a reason behind it, and apply logic. One common example I'll give you. When two students are fighting, what do we say as a parent, as a teacher? Relax, shant ho jao. You just try to make them away from each other. Now, what you're looking for? You want them to come into a present situation. Means the students should visualize their points, why this is happening. And once they are able to understand, once they are able to visualize, they find the reason and they become friends again. And this is very common. You pick up a phone, somebody is shouting at you. If you immediately react, the quarrel will start. But if you stop at that moment, if you don't say anything at that moment, you visualize the situation of the other person, what will happen? Things will improve. ऐसे नहीं कहते थे उल्टी गिनती शुरू कर दो बोलना तो लड़ाई खत्म हो जाएगी. It was not कि लड़ाई उल्टी गिनती से नहीं होती. The reason is when you come to the current situation, when you start visualizing, reasoning ki why this is happening. So this plays an important role in life. And generally I call it as a life-changing process. छोटे बच्चों को अगर आप छोटी चीजें ऑब्जर्व करने की आदत डाल दो, लाइफ में वो हर चीज को ऑब्जर्व करेंगे एंड दैट विल ऑलवेज लीड टू अ बेटर राइट. And the fourth reason, now we generally say we have two brains. One is right brain and another is left brain. This is what we say. And then can you tell me which is more active, right brain or left brain? And for whom which is more active? Which students have more left brain active and which has right brain active?
Sir,
कुमुद आप तो अबैकस करा रहे हैं, so which is?
हाँ सर, हाँ मैं यही बताना चाह रही थी सर, जो बच्चा लेफ्ट हैंड से लिखता है उसका राइट ब्रेन एक्टिव होता है और जो राइट से लिखता है उसका लेफ्ट.
अबैकस में यही सिखाते हो?
नहीं सर, राइट ब्रेन में क्रिएटिविटी का ज्यादा रहता है और लेफ्ट ब्रेन से जो भी
अच्छा एक चीज बताओ, लिखता when we say okay, yes Raju, who are the kids or who are the children who write, who have left brain active and who are those who have right brain active?
Usually like people who are creative, there seems to be a left brain active. So, and mostly who use the visual clues, their right brain is active.
right brain creativity.
So that's the thing. See, why do we compare the hands in between? If we remember our grandparents, our paternal or maternal grandparents, they never allowed us to write through left hand. So what does that mean? कि किसी का left brain active ही नहीं होगा. See, that is not there. Hand coordination is something different. But in other ways, a person who is having left brain active means logically stronger.
Got it.
generally you might have seen there are children who are sitting at the last bench but still asking why, how. So see how much they are logically thinking about whatever you are teaching.
Mhm.
And there are people who are creativity is stronger.
Right
Yes,
brain.
they are. So they have right brain active. But with Vedic maths, you'll observe that both your brains start working together. One example we did in the first class, 11 multiplication. At that time, one brain was thinking what number is coming, and the second was able to decide what will come next. So at the same time, we were doing two tasks. And till now, we have never done two tasks in maths. We were always writing on paper and pen. So their two tasks are never involved. But the day you start thinking, the day you start visualizing, two tasks will be done. So with Vedic maths, both your brains will start working. They get activated. And once both the brains are activated, your speed will increase. First thing, your concentration will increase. Right? That was the third point. Key. Our concentration increases. So this is why these are the four basic reasons. But yes, these are not written anywhere in Google. Ki VRL or your right brain, left brain, or independence of work. But these are the reasons behind why speed increases. And 11 was this example, why I took 11 as an example, so that you need to understand direction also happened here, visualization also happened here, and independent of paper and pen also you realize when you are not using your paper and pen, speed was automatically increasing. Correct? Is it clear? One very good exercise of activating both your brains. If you want to see a magic in yourself, yes, or I want to see a magic in a child's life, how fast he can become immediately. So there is one calculation called as multiplication of 2. We have this concept in fourth book.
सर आपने अभी कोई न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट करवाया है क्या?
मैम अभी वही चल रहा है.
ओके थैंक यू सर.
नहीं, सारा कंसेप्ट तो सब कुछ नया है, बट लिखवाने का कुछ नहीं किया. और क्लास में तो अब टाइमली आना पड़ेगा. आगे से 9 बजे शुरू हो जाएगी.
टाइम मांगा था, वैसे 9 बजे मैं डेली ज्वाइन कर लूंगी. सॉरी सर टुडे.
So this multiplication with 2, that was what is that can change immediately, because in this both the brains start working. So multiplication with 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, you can do mentally. Correct? So that will increase. Any doubt, any questions you have before we move further? Yes. Yes, any questions?
No, sir.
No,
Yeah.
sir.
So the second point, why to do Vedic maths was, याद है किसी को? So it reduces burden.
Burdens.
Right. So what is the burden? The burden in any child's life. Here, we are talking about only mathematics. So maybe other burdens could be there. But in school life, if you talk about the biggest burden, that is tables. It's really difficult to cram every table. And every day, teacher will change the table. Today, he's asking you about 12, and tomorrow he'll say, no, 17, 13, 14. And that was a difficulty to cram the tables. Today, I'll give you a very easy method. And after that, you'll realize we wasted our time. Or the students who are still struggling to remember or cram these tables, they are wasting their time throughout their life. If this method of Vedic maths is implemented there, we will never face any difficulty. So these tables become so easy. Yes, Raju, what is happening?
Sorry, sir. I was trying to connect with my laptop.
3, 4.
Now it should be fine. Sorry. Laptop is trying to connect. So
Now I think there are 3. Okay, 3 more.
3. Really?
It's showing 3.
Ah. Okay, let me see it. Right now, I'm just connected with laptop. It's
Sure, no
trying to
issues.
disconnect.
No
Okay,
issues.
thank you.
You settle down.
Mhm.
Because this way you'll not settle down, na?
Yeah, sorry.
This way you'll be keep on.
सर एक रेड लाइन दिख रही है उसके ऊपर कुछ लिखा हुआ दिख रहा है क्लियर नहीं लग रहा क्या लिखा है सर
कोई बात नहीं, वो तो टॉपिक ही चेंज हो गया ना. डबलिंग वो क्लियर क्यों दिखना, वो टॉपिक छोड़ दिया, अगला हो गया ना वो. ये लो, अब ठीक है. वो टॉपिक अभी किया नहीं था, डबलिंग बता रहा था मैं. नाउ, so the second topic was burden of tables. Today I'll give you 2 methods. One is, okay, chalo, before teaching you this topic, up till which number you can write tables easily. I'm not saying speak, write. Yes, Raju, up till which number? Neha,
9. 9.
10 का नहीं आता. Don't say 10 नहीं आता. This is, मतलब it's okay, उससे आगे नहीं.
Any table. Any table.
बोलिए राकेश.
Yes, sir, any table we can write.
Easily बोला मैंने.
1000.
सर 9 की टेबल इजीली लिखा जाता है.
9 तक आता है तो 89 का अगर टेबल पूछूं, हाउ मच टाइम यू
नहीं,
नीड टू राइट अ टेबल ऑफ 89?
Sir,
Yes,
1 minute.
Neha, how much time?
30
सर
seconds.
लग जाएगा
Sorry,
सर थोड़ा सा टाइम लग जाएगा
मैथ्स की लैंग्वेज में आंसर दो मैम.
अप्रोक्स 5 मिनट्स
5 minutes. Okay. Yes,
1
Kumud,
minute, sir.
सर abacus से 30 सेकेंड ओनली.
30 seconds. Yes, Raju.
2-3 minutes.
Yes, Manisha.
तो 5 minutes तो लग जाएगा.
बिल्कुल लगता ही है. Now, chalo, it's good you answered at least, because teachers generally feel they should not answer. And the irony is, they only question these types of questions in the class and they don't want to answer. This is there. Because we feel that tables is a burden. We feel that it is very tough. And that is what we are going to do today. All such tables can be done in 10 seconds. All the tables with numbers ending with 9. So first, I'll give you 2 concepts. So the first concept is tables of numbers ending with 9. So what are the numbers which end with 9? Yes, Neha? Manisha?
19, 29,
Yes, yes.
39.
Very good.
19 29 39 49 59 59 79
Very
89
good. Very good. जी.
109 119
सारे कर लेंगे आज हम. ठीक है?
and so on.
So all these tables can be done within 10 seconds. Let's do it. What is this? यस, क्या है ये?
जीरो
X
का
and 0.
XO, XO.
एक्सो. सो खेले, लेट्स प्ले. लेट्स प्ले.
No, sir.
नो, चलो, ड्रॉ दिस मच. This is a magical scare, a magical box. Draw this much, draw in your notebook.
और सारे रजिस्टर बेड पे से उठा के रख यहाँ पे.
Bus. Now, second, just observe. I'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'll start from the rightmost side. I'll enter this middle term and here. Please write up till here. Done?
Yes.
Now, I said this, I'll use all the tables of all the numbers which are ending with 9. Let's say 9, 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 89. This is our target. 109, and so on. Now, here you will be using the first sutra of Vedic maths. We'll discuss that in depth in the second topic also. But here that is called as, I'll break up. Ek, adhik. Okay, let me change the colors so that you will be able to understand it more easily. Ek adhik ena. It is a one word. Ek means one, adhik means more, ena means from.
सर एंड में क्या लिखा है? एक अधिक, एंड में क्या लिखा है?
ENA. Ena. ENA.
और नीचे क्या लिखा है सर? पूर्व.
Purvena.
ओके सर.
Purvena means from the previous. So ek adhik than the previous. One more from the previous. You might have received the books in that, in the inner cover. The first sutra is written as Ikadikena, Purvena, and the meaning is given one more than the previous. Now, what does it mean? One more than the previous. One more than the previous is your translation. But mathematically, it means one more than the previous, means one is to be added. Correct. Now here, how we will implement is, whatever is this 9, we'll just ignore it. We'll just ignore the number 9, and whatever is before that, previous number to that.
4.
बोलिए नेहा.
सर टेबल.
8.
क्या हुआ पर नेहा?
सर इन विच टेबल 49.
मैंने अभी तो बात ही नहीं की टेबल की. आप ध्यान इधर रखो, आप घर में भी डिक्टेशन दे रहे हो और यहाँ भी कर रहे हो, इसलिए मुश्किल आ रही है।
नहीं सर, मेरा कुछ भी नहीं कर रही, वो बस
तब
बच्चे से पेन
तो
मंगवा।
आपको बात कैसे दूसरी समझ आ रही है? 49 तो वर्ड ही नहीं हुआ यहाँ। You'll get the video, don't worry. Now, only is whatever is before 9, we need to add 1. So यहाँ जहाँ 9 है, that means we have nothing. Nothing means 0. Correct? So, if 9 is ignored, what are the numbers left? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10, and so. You just have to add 1 to them. Is it clear? Means whatever is the previous number, add 1 to it. As simple as that. How we will apply this? Now see. This was my table. Let's say I start with 19. So what I told you, whatever is before 9, add 1 to it.
One.
So what is 1 plus 1?
2.
2. We need to keep it in our mind. या आप लिखना चाहें तो चलिए लिख के रख लेते हैं. Correct. Now this is your common addition. Just you have to add this everywhere. How? What is 1 plus 2?
3.
What is 3 plus 2?
5.
5.
अभी लिखो मत, नहीं हाँ, टाइम दूंगा सब. See, please first understand, then you'll get the time to write. Otherwise सबका ध्यान लिखने में और ना समझ आएगा ना. 5 plus 2?
7.
See, now my direction has changed. Earlier arrow was different. Now when you are coming down, direction changes. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11.
11.
11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. And if I see 19. See, I started with 19. I'm getting 19 at the last. That means I have done every calculation correctly. I just add a 0. This becomes 190. But what does that whole table stands for now? This is nothing but table of 19. 19 ones are 19. 19 twos are 38. 19 threes are 57. 19 fours are 76. 19 fives are 95. 19 sixes are 114. 19 sevens are 133. 19 eights are 152. 19 nines are 171. And 19 10 is 190. See, just by adding 2, you are able to write a table of 19. Yes, did you get this? Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
नेहा, अब समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
एक और करते हैं अभी एग्जांपल. आप पहले ये लिख लो, अब लिख लो. 2 डायरेक्शंस है इसमें. जब पहले ऊपर जाते हैं तो that's why I make have 2 separate tables so that you will understand.
Done, sir.
Yes, Manisha.
Done, sir.
Very okay. I'll just make one more table. Done, everybody. Okay. This time I'm using 39. Now, if you see, 39 means 3. 3 means adding 1 will make 4. So 3 plus 4, 7. Kumud Neha, dekho. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 23, 27, 31, 35, and 39.
9.
Finish. So table of 39 done. See, just adding 1 and getting a new number. That is what you have to do. This is the application of Sutra 1, Ekadikena Purvena. That means adding 1 to the previous number. Is it clear now?
Sir.
If this is clear, please write down 29 table yourself.
Sir, done.
Done?
Done, sir.
Very good. So now see, you can easily write it, right? And is it really difficult for the children? They always love it because it becomes a game for them. The only thing is you need to add more humor to their class. You have to show them a game and then they'll be learning. Yes, everyone has done? Neha,
Yes, sir, done.
Kumud,
Yes, sir, done.
very good.
Yes,
So see, now when we started, I said table of
89 ले लो sir.
Kumud, 8. 8 means you have to add 9. Correct. So 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 9, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71, 80, and 89. So how many seconds? Just 8 to 10 seconds it takes. Yes, Neha, now done. 5 minutes say 5 minutes means 300 seconds. And we can do in 10 seconds. That means 30 times faster. और अगर बच्चों को ये करा दो तो they feel like they are out of this world. अगर गलती से ये 8th 9th के बच्चे को करा दो तो वो सिर पीटने लग जाते हैं कि why we were not taught such easy methods earlier. Because the second technique which I'll teach you, that is not even what we can call as a technique. It is like वो कहते हैं ना घर दिए तले अंधेरा. So the second method is like that. We never thought in that way. Everybody has done? चलो
Yes,
एक और
sir.
कर लो practice. First, practice the most easiest one, 99. So that will be adding 10. I think that is the most easiest then. Adding 10 can be very easy. Yes, Raju, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
You can ask anytime. I can understand their network is not, the condition is not good. But
Sir, done.
I never face this problem because I've taken number of sessions from online sessions from Nepal. Usually every month I'm doing.
No,
Maybe my hotel is providing good network
yeah, that's the case.
because I take evening. I have three classes, and every time I was taking.
Okay.
Chalo, no issues.
Mhm.
देखते हैं. Okay. Yes, done 99.
Yes, sir, done.
Try more 59.
Sir, done.
अब स्पीड आई नेहा की. See, abhi one more confidence. I'll give you one concept when I'll teach you. After that, you'll see how things will change, and you start believing. Yes, I can do. That's all. Vedic maths is just to believe in yourself. I can do, and you can do. Everybody has done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this is not only for 2 digits, please mind it. So we can do 3 digits also, 109. So what it means, 109 means 10 is
We
there.
have to add
So 10 means 11 to be added. So 10 plus 11, 21. Let me,
21,
21
32,
plus 11, 32, 43, 54, 65, 76, 87, 98, and 109. Finish. See, and again, I'll tell you, math is just a complete patterns in itself. You need to understand the pattern once.
So is this related to like a magic square that we used to do?
No.
Sir? No. Okay.
Magic square is entirely different. See, this is the second method when I'll teach. It is not even required. But the
Okay.
problem arises is students are having so much fear factor, so much stressed up, havoc of mathematics. Today I was seeing one cartoon
Mm-hmm.
that, you know, why this is, yes, this is, mathematics is a problem throughout the globe. But
Mm-hmm.
if I talk about particularly your country, it is more. Do you know the reason? The reason is you have allowed them with calculators in exam. Just think, if I say today you don't have to give exams, will anybody study? Just think over it.
Mm-hmm.
That is what you're doing. You are giving them the material to do in maths, the calculator. Why will they study? Why will they understand the concepts of maths?
Mm-hmm.
Why will they do the efforts? So, and that's the reason this time all the engineering college seats were not filled, because there were no maths takers, no
Yeah.
students who had been doing mathematics. That's a very critical situation. And this I was telling them from past 3 years,
Mm-hmm.
because I had been there from past 3.5 years now. And every time I used to say, you are doing wrong. I had a word with your uh, national board examination member. I had a board in CVT, your curriculum board development. And UGC, I have written the letters. So I met everybody in the education departments. Anyhow, let's see. Okay.
Yeah, hopefully they'll understand the ease of this Vedic mathematics and try to come
Not,
up.
it's not Vedic maths, even maths if they do properly, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Need with the mathematics.
Okay.
So now 109 is clear. So that means you can do 3 digits also. The only thing is you should know how to add numbers. Now we are lacking in that also. So when we'll be doing Vedic maths, we'll be learning first thing is how to add numbers easily. Correct. One easy try, a very easy number, 199. Just for your, confidence building. Yes, you can do.
Turn, sir.
Yes. Anyone finding any difficulty
Done.
now?
सर डन
Very good. So easy हो गया 5 मिनट से पहले. 89 आपने 5 मिनट मांगे थे, मैंने डबल भी जल्दी कर लिया आपने तो. Okay, not 10, 15 seconds, 20 seconds. Even that is fair enough. Initially, that is fair enough. Done.
Done.
So like this, you can do. Now, the question arises, if I can do 89 here easily, can I write 87, 88? Or if I have done 29, can I do 23 easily, 25 easily, 26 easily? If yes, how? Yes, Neha. 87 कैसे करेंगे?
सर इसका कोई फॉर्मूला होता होगा
फॉर्मूला किसी का भी नहीं होता वैदिक मैथ्स में. पिछली बार बता दिया था.
87 का
वर्ड, आप वर्ड्स को पकड़ोगे तो फिर मैथ्स में सवाल कभी भी याद नहीं होंगे.
89 माइनस 2
कैसे करेंगे इतनी कैलकुलेशंस? ओके, सी नाउ इन, ओके, आपने सब ने, मैंने पूछा था कहां तक टेबल आते हैं, तो जनरली लोगों को 12 तक आते हैं, राइट? नाउ हाउ डू वी डू इन, okay, what we are doing right now is writing, but we need to also understand how to speak, dodging. That also we will learn today, right? We'll practice that. Now in school education system, we try to cram the things, or simply you can say, if you don't want to use word cram, you multiply. So you write, do like this: 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. I would say it cramming because the moment I'll say 42, you cannot go more than 1 or 2. 87, forget. 87 ones are 87. Next करने के लिए you'll take 3 minutes. Because one cannot cram. So a good teacher, they tell you that, yes, since multiplication is repetitive addition, so they teach you this way. Second method, 12 plus 12, 24. Then 24 plus 12, 36. This is also good. But the moment you have 87, what will happen? You'll start getting multiple carryovers. Every time you are getting carryovers, and these carryovers are the silliest mistake. Every student does. So for small numbers, addition is okay, multiplication is okay, cramming is okay, but it cannot work for every number. So what is the third solution? Yes, Neha, इनके अलावा, do you have any technique to do tables? Raju?
I don't know, sir.
Yes,
I don't
Manisha?
know.
May I,
हाँ, बोलो.
sir, if we have to write a table of 87, we just write the table of 8 and 7, and in between of their ones place and the tens place of the 7,
What concept you
we
are
will
using?
add that. Multiply.
This is a problem. Again, cramming. See this, what I said, yes, when I had a first class, I said balancing lines, and everywhere I'll use the same concept. See, you have to follow something which will make the things easy. Now, let's say we'll start with the easiest question, that is 12. Yes,
सर मुझे समझ में आ गया
कोई बात नहीं, अभी उसका मतलब भी मत समझ लो, वो समझ उनको भी आ गया, बट समझाना है ना आपको आगे, आपको समझना नहीं है सिर्फ। See, you are doing two tasks now. You are understanding and you further need to discuss and make others understand. So, उसको समझो.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay. So now we just yes, नेहा, 1 का टेबल आता है?
जी सर।
So we'll write down the table of 1, the most easiest, and similarly we'll be writing the table of 2 here.
2.
Now we learned a concept called place values last time. That at every position you can have only 1 digit. That is what you need to apply. Consider that this is unit place, this is tens place, bring everything together.
Yes, sir.
Add them.
Sir, in that method only I have said.
तो फर्स्ट आप बोल नहीं पाए ना सर, आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन कह रहे थे।
Yes, 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 yes.
बात को समझो राकेश, अपने आप को तो समझ लिया,
हाँ जी,
समझाओगे कैसे?
जी, जी.
टीचर
Yes, sir.
बनोगे तो यू
Yes,
हैव
sir.
टू क्लियर द डाउट्स ऑफ द चाइल्ड। इसीलिए मैं कह रहा हूं
Yes.
आपको 2 काम करने हैं, समझना भी है एंड ये समझना है कि कैसे समझाना है आगे। अगर हम बच्चों को नहीं
Okay,
समझा
sir.
पाए और हमारे पास नॉलेज है, उसका क्या बेनिफिट?
Yes, sir. Benefit नहीं, बिल्कुल sir.
Got my point? That is what you need to make them understand.
Yes, sir.
So here now 10, we cannot have 2 digits. So only 0. Extra digit moves further.
Once 10th
2 as
position,
it is, 6 plus 1, 7.
72.
4 as it is, 8. 6 as it is, 9. 8 as it is, 10. 0 as it is, 12. See how the things moved. Now that was what I was saying. Now this is, even this thing I will not call as a trick. This I will not call as a concept. This was Chirag Tale Andhera. Every teacher could have learned this without any thought. But problem वही है. We don't want to look beyond. We don't want to change the existing system. हम तो मैथ्स करते ही राइट से लेफ्ट है, तो हमने सोचा ही नहीं कभी लेफ्ट से करने का. Why should I take that burden to do it? See, if you not to take the burden, how will you become a torch bearer? तो पीछे चलने वाले रह गए ना. And this topic, when I taught to one student in Scotland, उसके फादर का फोन आ गया कि he's abusing his teachers, कि ये इतना सिंपल पॉइंट बताया क्यों नहीं. Yes, it becomes very simple. See 87 now, 16, 14, 24, 21, 32, 28, 40, 35. So 87 as it is 4, this becomes 17, 1, 26, 8, 34, 5, 43. So what is easy? Adding 87 every time, cramming 87 into 1, cramming 87 into 2, or just adding 16 plus 1, 24 plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 1 plus 2 is easy, or adding entire number is easy? Yes, Neha. Manisha.
Sir, this method is easy.
This, yes,
क्या
sir.
नहीं, क्या ये सब क्या ये सीखने लायक भी है? अगर ऐसे सोचे, हम सारे 40s में आ गए या 30s में आ गए, is it what we should have not learned in the class of 3rd? So whom will accuse of that? And not even single book is supporting this, is showing this method. And simply if you understand that it is a concept of place values, balancing
Sir,
line,
with this method
finish.
only, yes, sir. With this method only, I had teased the students in lakhs. मतलब lakhs का भी table sir इसमें लिख सकते हैं.
आप कोई भी
sir,
कर लो,
वो-
वो तो फिर तो
Yes, sir.
वो तो आपका बोर्ड, आपका
Yes,
पेपर
sir.
और आपकी सोच है ना.
Yes, sir.
अभी तो लाख का तो वर्ड तब आएगा जब 99 तक की मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं.
Yes, sir.
आप इंजीनियरिंग के बच्चे से पूछ लो, वो 12 से ऊपर का बोलता नहीं। आप वो छोड़िए, मैथ्स के प्रोफेसर से पूछ लीजिए, नहीं बता सकते टेबल्स। So why do you ask? Why do you beat children? Why do you scold children when you don't know yourself?
Definitely, sir.
So
Yes.
देखो आप बहुत सी चीजें हैं, बट मैं इस मेथड को इतना भी नहीं कहता कि इसको सीखने की भी जरूरत थी, क्योंकि हमने कभी इस एंगल से नहीं सोचा वाली बात है। Yes, Kumud, is
Visualization
it
is
clear?
correct.
Yes, sir.
Raju, Manisha,
Yes, sir.
try one or two numbers. 76. Okay, first 87 should be complete, then try 76. First 87, then 7.
And done, sir.
Done?
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
76 also done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Raju?
Yes, completed, sir.
Very good. So now try with the 3 digit. See, we did 1 0. Okay, I won't take 1 0. Let's say 1 2 3. So again, no, 1 2 3 is small number. Let's take a bigger number. Let's say 9 8 7. Correct. And so 9 I know, 18, 27, 36, 45. Right, let's go up till 5 digits only first. 16, 24, 32, 40, 14, 21, 28, 35. Correct. So see, first answer simply same, then 4. Now just think this is a balancing line. Just think. So what will happen? This goes here. 7. 1 goes
7,
here.
9, and 1.
Finish.
9,
Wait.
7, 7,
So 2, 9,
2,
6,
9,
1. 8 as it is, 4,
3, 9,
39,
4,
5, 3, 49. See, just by visualization, you are able to do. If you know the table of 9, if you know the table of 8, if you know the table of 87, 87 is not difficult. And this was only the confidence we need to feel in the students who are struggling, who are cramming the tables. Why should you cram the table of 12 or 19 or anything? If you know up till 9, then simply you can write down. And you know, the problem is when you cross question in our education system, when you say, sir, Can you tell? Exam में तो आना नहीं. We all know that a complete table is never asked in exams. Questions based on this is asked. Dodging is asked. Even there is no maths oral examinations in class 3rd. So why we are asked to cram? See, basically what we are doing is every student is facing that difficulty because maths has been treated like a fear factor, as a stress, as a havoc, and that has been induced in their minds. And this Vedic maths can remove that fear of maths. And once that is removed, things change. Today, I was going through one student I have of 9th standard, and you cannot believe he's not able to add the numbers properly. So what you can expect? Because they are lacking in that interest. Yes, any doubt? So similarly, you can do any 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit. So just practice 1 or 2, 4, 8, 6. Write down this 4, 8, 6, and we'll do. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Any doubt? Tables now. So how much time we took? We took around 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, and second thing, even those tables which we did earlier, see, if it is 89 also, that can be done here also. But initially that is taught so that a child start finding interest in maths. वो गेम के साथ खेल के खुश हो जाता है. If you see my YouTube channel, there is one video. Once I was teaching 50 plus students in one class. And you know, the first day I taught them this. The second day I was late for just 5 minutes, and my counselor, she asked, what you learn today? They said, we learn game. And that was the excitement which brought them again back to the class second day. So sometimes you need to add a humor to the class, and that table, that concepts add it, right? So tables are clear.
Yes.
What we have been cramming every time, or even in writing, we were using multiplication concept or addition concept. Here it becomes as easy as ABC. Now, how questions are asked? Questions are coming generally on multiplication. Correct. Now I'll tell you how single digit multiplication can be done easily with this. Let's say 99 into 8. till now we have been doing this 9 into 8 72 7
72.
9 into 8 72 and 7 790. This is correct, but this cannot be done mentally. Now just change your view. Just think.
From left to right, right to
792.
left, left to right.
आंसर ठीक है मैडम, आंसर तो ठीक है, एक मिनट, आंसर तो कर लिया। अब सिर्फ नजरिया बदलिए, जस्ट थिंक फ्रॉम लेफ्ट साइड। फर्स्ट नंबर इज
Left to
9. What is 9 into 8? 72. What is another 9 into 2? 72. Can I have 2 digits here? No. So 792. Finish. To check this is very easy because you have answers at the down.
Sir, in this method, we can answer from left to right.
See, only if you are doing left to right, it becomes easy only.
Yes, sir. And we get the answer correctly. Frequently and correctly.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Raju, did you
Yes,
understand
sir.
what I did?
Yes, sir.
See, what we did was the way of thought, the thought process we are changed. Instead of doing this way, we are thinking from left side. One more example. Sorry. I always take big examples, 89, 86. Let's say simple. 18 only. 18 into 6. So first I can say 6. 48.
6.
Can I have 2 digits here? No,
100.
because that is a unit. So like this you have to answer. 18 into 6, 6, 48. So 6 and 4 is 10. So 108. Got it? This way you will start find easy.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Let
The
it be.
39 multiplied by 99.
Sorry.
The 39 multiplied by 99. तो पहले
वो-
हम 39 को 9 से करेंगे फिर 10 प्लस करेंगे।
अभी सिंगल डिजिट बोला मैंने, डबल डिजिट नहीं बोला। नेहा जंप मत करो। क्या टेबल हम सिंगल से करते हैं क्या? आप 99 लेवल तक जाते हैं? 10th लेवल तक की तो जाते हैं। वी टॉकिंग अबाउट मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल्स। कितने लेवल तक करते हैं आप?
हाँ 9 तक ही करते हैं।
9 करते हैं, 10 तक करते हैं?
9।
आपको पता ही नहीं। फिर टेबल कैसे लिखते हैं आप? 2 10 से 20 नहीं करते?
हाँ करते हैं सर।
तो 2 9 तक खत्म कर देते हैं।
हाँ नहीं सर 10 तक करते हैं। मेरे को ना वो लग रहा था आप
तो
1 to 9
पूछो, जिद में मत बोलो। मैं बार बार बोल रहा हूँ लेवल कितने करते हैं।
नहीं सर 10 तक करते हैं। 2
That
10
is
तक
what- तो आप 9 क्या बोल रहे थे अब बताओ?
नहीं सर मैं कुछ और बोल रही थी। ठीक है मैं समझ गई।
See, that is what I am saying. I am just using, see, we'll do all this 99 calculations also. Right now, we are moving with the first topic. What we started with, speed increase. I saw 11. I gave an example of 11. Now, we are working on the point tables. But so what we learn from tables? Tables, अगर मैंने आपको कह के छोड़ दिया, तो use क्या हुआ? Where do we use tables? Now, this is the application of tables. Single digit multiplication. Let it be 999 here, 9 here. No issues. 81, 81, 81. Balance it. देखो कितना इजी हो गया। बैलेंस
1999.
बैलेंस
8991.
बैलेंस सीखा कैसे? हमने बैलेंस सीखा थ्रू बैलेंसिंग लाइन। है ना? तो वो चीज को समझो आप कि बैलेंसिंग लाइन का कंसेप्ट को अगर हम ध्यान देंगे तो देन थिंग्स विल बी इजी. So that's why I said कि मैं स्टेप वाइज चल रहा हूँ अभी. We are not jumping to multiplication. First we'll learn addition, then we'll jump to multiplication. This is just an application of multiplication tables. Got it? And when you say dodging, तो dodging भी ऐसे ही करनी है. कोई पूछता है what is 18 into 7? तो 7 और देखो सीखना ऐसे ही है. 7 and 56 126.
126.
अदरवाइज रट तो आप सकते ही नहीं ना सारे टेबल्स. ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या करोगे, 12 तक के रट लोगे. उसके बाद किसी ने 89 ही पूछ लिया, 89 into 9 कभी भी नहीं याद होगा. तो 72 81 means 801. So dodging,
801.
even dodging you will be understanding if you are using your brain from left to right. और अगर राइट से करने के करेंगे तो you cannot do. That would be only cramming of certain numbers. Now it depends. This is what we need to teach them. Because from left, it would be much, much, much easier. Clear? Or any question now? बोलिए.
No, sir.
Yes, anyone has any question?
No, sir.
So now we'll start with the basic terminology, what we'll be using in Vedic maths. Okay, before that, let me start with another important topic. Now, before that, I'll ask you one question. Neha, how do you check your answers? Raju, how do you
Sir?
check your answers?
सर चेक करने का ये तरीका होता है कि जैसे कि मैंने किसी डिजिट में कुछ प्लस किया तो जो उसका टोटल होता है उसमें से नीचे वाले नंबर को माइनस कर देंगे तो ऊपर वाला नंबर मिल
सिर्फ
जाएगा.
मैथ्स का मतलब सिर्फ एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन ही होता है, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं होता.
हाँ सर, चेक आंसर बोला ना तो मैंने तो इसी का बताया. वैसे भी बता सकती हूँ मैं सर आपको.
चलो 1156 इसका आंसर होता है 34. इसे चेक करो.
सर फिर 34 को जिस नंबर से हमने डिवाइड किया उससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे.
ये डिवाइड होता है, ये किसका साइन है?
स्क्वायर रूट का है सर, और ये
Square
करेक्ट
root
है.
है. Multiplied.
सर वो
Multiply.
उधर डिवाइड है सर. सर स्क्वायर रूट है.
चलो anyhow. Yes, Raju, how do you check your answers? Okay,
मैंने
मैं आपको मल्टीप्लाई
वाला समझ लिया था.
26 plus 24 is 50. Correct?
Yes.
How will you check this answer?
50 minus 24
50
is
minus 24.
So what do you learn first, addition or subtraction?
Subtraction.
Digit sum we
Addition.
have to do.
Yes, Neha, what do you learn first, addition or subtraction?
Addition.
First we learn addition, then we learn
आज
subtraction.
एक दिन का गैप होता है दोनों में कि नहीं? कि बिल्कुल 6 मिनट का भी नहीं होता. सो समझिए वैसे 6 महीने का होता है. Let's say you know only addition. Now tell me how will you check?
The digit sum we have to do.
अरे राकेश रुक जाओ, आज का नोट्स आपने
Okay,
पढ़ के मत
okay.
करो वो.
Okay sir. Okay.
मुझे भी पता आज का आपने देख लिया उसमें, और पहले भी भेजा था मैंने उस दिन आपको.
जी सर.
आज वाला देखा है या पिछला है?
नहीं सर, मेरे तो अभी प्रैक्टिस में है ये.
डिवीजन का
routine
कैसे करते हो?
practice है.
चलो डिवीजन पूछूंगा, अभी नहीं.
चलिए ठीक है. अभी.
यस राजू, हाउ विल यू चेक?
Maybe we could just minus the last number.
See,
we
that is
added.
my question. What do you learn first? You are in class 1. Now you know only addition. Now tell me, how will you check? No, that is the point now. Because in maths exam, every time we are given a rough sheet and our
Mhm.
teachers ask them, check your answers, verify your answers before submitting the worksheet. कहते हैं ना नेहा स्कूल में? कहते हैं कि नहीं कहते? आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या आपको?
सर मेरे को समझ नहीं आया आपने क्या पूछा, दोबारा बोलोगे?
हिंदी में बात करूं?
नहीं सर, इंग्लिश आती है।
मैंने कहा कि मैथ्स के एग्जाम में एक रफ शीट दी जाती है और ये पूछा जाता है, ये कहा जाता है चेक योर आंसर्स, वेरीफाई योर आंसर बिफोर सबमिटिंग द शीट।
यस सर।
तो कहा जाता है ना?
यस सर।
तो कभी बताया चेक करना कैसे है आंसर?
नहीं।
तो फिर पैसे नहीं देते थे स्कूल में जो पूछा नहीं कैसे? यस मनीषा? How? Yes, Raju, did you understand the problem?
Yeah, I understand the problem, but I really don't know how to check the answer.
That is, yes, Manisha?
Yes, so but in school if we are there, first to addition ही सिखाया जाता है हम लोगों को,
हाँ. तो अब वही मैं
बाद
पूछ
में
रहा हूँ ना,
minus सिखाया
in
जाता
in school, right from class 1 to class 12th, whenever you have maths
Yes, yes.
exam, you are given rough sheet. What
Right.
for? To check your answers, verify your answer. कभी बताया how to check?
No, sir.
So तब क्यों नहीं पूछा हमने? In actual, they also don't know. And they don't want you to check. कोई बोलने की आदत पड़ गई है check. But in actual, they want you to redo. Does redo solve the purpose? अगर redo से solution मिलना होता तो मैथ्स में कोई फेल ही ना होता. Because as a human being, we cannot check our mistakes. Sorry, as we cannot see our mistakes. So if you are doing 50 in rough here, maybe in rough you make it 51. One option. Or if you are doing both the places 50-50 or 51-50 or 51-51, then which is correct? How will you know? That is a problem. So in maths, you have never been taught how to check your answers. Now, Vedic maths has this solution, a very simple solution. When in 3 seconds, you can check every answer. So we'll proceed with that. And the concept is called as digit sum. Now, by the name, can you think what it should be? Yes, Kumud.
Addition,
सर डिजिट को टोटल करके जो आंसर आएगा,
addition करना sir.
एडिशन टोटल प्लस करके जो
किसको?
आएगा,
किसको?
नंबर्स
Which
Numbers
number?
को
2
सर
plus
जब
6
दिया जाएगा
2 plus 6 8 and then 2 plus 4 is 6 and then add them 8 and 6 14 we get 1 plus 4 5 that is equals to the 5 plus 0 that is 5. If they both are equal then the answer is correct.
मैं मतलब पूछ रहा हूं, आप पूरी
Okay.
कहानी रामायण सुना के बिठा दी. किसी को समझ आया?
नहीं सर.
मतलब क्या है राकेश? फिर वही
Digits.
बार बार बोल रहा हूं. फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग?
Some
सम ऑफ व्हाट?
addition of sum of digits
ऑफ
and
व्हाट?
numbers, putting
the
all the
multi-
numbers
रट,
together.
ये देखो, नोटबुक से रट के नहीं कराना राकेश.
Okay.
वेट. सो डिजिट सम. सी, नाम को समझो. डिजिट sum. So it is sum of digits. But किसके digits? Of a number.
Of a number.
Correct. Now a number could be a single digit number, a number could be 2-digit number, a number could be 10-digit number.
And
Got it? You cannot define right now what is how much number and how many digits. So if it is a single digit number, so उसका digit sum क्या होगा? अब number ही 1 है, किसको ऐड करोगे? Only 1. So 1 is the total. 2 उसका total भी 2 ही आएगा. 3 उसका total भी 3 आएगा. See, if it is a single digit number, the total will also be the same. So up till 9, it remains same. But here is the thing. So we write digit sum is always a single digit number between 1 to 9. उसका सम हमेशा 1 से लेके 9 ही होना चाहिए. तो कैसे होगा? नंबर आ गया 10. तो 10 means 1 plus 0, 1. Finish. नंबर आ गया 17. So 1 plus 7, 8.
8.
Number आ गया 282. So this becomes 2 plus 8 plus 2 is 12. So 3.
Again, 3.
Got it? Now, this is what you need to understand. 4122. Digit sum is 9.
9.
Yes, now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Neha? Yes, Raju, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then let's practice some. What is digit sum of 281? First,
2.
2. What is digit sum of 3102?
6.
5.
7.
6. 6.
6. Sorry, 6.
7. 5 किसने बोला? 7 किसने बोला?
Sorry, sir, 6.
Sorry, so
Yes,
5 मैंने
Neha.
बोला.
What did no answer?
So 5.
अच्छा 3 plus
Plus
1
one.
5.
6.
5 कैसे?
6, sir, 6.
बच्चा 2 बार आंसर गलत बोल के दूसरी बार बोलेगा, मानते हो?
नहीं सर 6 होगा 6.
इतनी देर में तो आप थप्पड़ भी मार देते अगर आपका बच्चा होता तो. इतना. हाँ,
तो मुझे दोबारा बता दो, थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन है, वो बता दो.
क्या कंफ्यूजन है वो पहले पूछ लो. ऐड करना है सिर्फ 3 plus 1 plus 2. इसमें क्या कंफ्यूजन है बताओ? बोलो बोलो.
सर 281 का 2 होगा.
क्या?
280.
282 का 12 हुआ.
3 plus 8 is 11.
2 plus 8 की. राकेश एक मिनट मैं बात कर लूं.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
बीच बीच में वो मत करो. 2 plus 8 कितना हुआ?
सर 281 का देख रही हूँ मैं, एक सेकंड सर.
चलो 281 का 2 plus 8 कितना हुआ?
10.
10, 11.
तो 11 में अभी हमने ऊपर क्या लिखा कि इट शुड बी अ सिंगल डिजिट नंबर. तो 11 में क्या होगा फर्दर? 1 plus 1.
2.
See, you have to add till you get a single digit number. अब समझ आ गई बात? लो और बड़ा ले लेता हूं मैं एक एग्जांपल. 89196. सो इसका हुआ 27 plus 6 is 33.
6.
तो अगेन 6.
सिक्स 6.
इज इट क्लियर?
सर अब क्लियर है.
ये बताइए 45426.
3.
5.
3.
3 सर.
3. Yes. 3.
27985 स्पीड पर। राजू, यू हैव टू आंसर।
4.
4.
4.
4.
सबने बोल दिया तो वही बोलना है।
9.
यस, 751 से
9.
86
9.
9 18368
13.
9. 9.
1.
9.
राकेश, आपसे मुझे इतनी उम्मीद नहीं थी।
एक
सारे
सेकंड।
गलत दिए अभी तक आपने।
10
क्या
sir,
एक
10.
प्रॉब्लम मैं समझ पा रहा हूँ, आई साइट चेक कराओ, क्योंकि द वे यू आर लुकिंग एट द स्क्रीन हो सकता है आपकी आई साइट
1.
हो रही हो।
1.
One is the answer is one.
1.
Not 1.
1. 1. 1 है
बहुत,
सर।
क्योंकि आपसे गलती हो मानना नहीं।
1 सर।
41658
9.
9.
9.
9 है सर।
9 आएगा सर।
9. 27.
यस नेहा, टोटल नहीं हुआ।
9 है sir.
चलो, एडिशन बहुत मुश्किल है, विल मेक इट इजी। व्हाट इज डिजिट सम ऑफ 19?
10.
1.
1.
1 sir, 1.
व्हाट इज डिजिट सम ऑफ 39?
3.
3.
व्हाट इज डिजिट सम ऑफ 361?
1.
1.
1.
1 sir.
What is digit sum of 3962?
2.
2.
2.
2 sir.
चलिए, अगेन सी, वैदिक मैथ्स रटने की चीज नहीं है ना, ऐसे करने की जरूरत है जैसे आप कर रहे हैं। यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, आईज शुड बी वेरी मच ओपन। अब जस्ट ऑब्जर्व, इन क्वेश्चंस में अगर हम ये 9 को इग्नोर कर दें तो आंसर हमारे सामने था।
Yes sir.
1 + 9 10 करके फिर 1 आता। अगर 9 को इग्नोर, वर्ड आई एम यूजिंग इग्नोर, 3 361 में 3 और 6 को इग्नोर कर देते तो भी 1 था।
1. Yes.
यहां पर 3 6 9 इग्नोर कर देते तो भी 2 वाज
Answer is
आंसर।
2.
सो व्हाई टू ऐड? यहां पर अभी इतना बड़ा क्वेश्चन किया था, तो 6 3 5 4 1 8, किसी एक को छोड़ सकते थे, 9 वाज आवर आंसर। नाउ व्हाट डज दिस मीन? दिस मीन्स whenever 9 or numbers adding to 9 come, ignore them. See, I am repeating, I am not saying delete them, subtract them, क्योंकि अगर 99 हो गया, I ask you digit sum, don't say 0. Ignore 1 9, 9 is the answer. 999, ignore 2 9s, 9 is the answer. Correct? So, this you need to understand. Is it clear up till here?
Yes sir.
Now, here, so ignoring 9, what it is giving you? How can you ignore 9? You will be ignoring 9 if you are visualizing the number, if you are observing the number. Again, the concept of visualization. And you saw the impact earlier also, now also. Just if you observe 9 or numbers adding to 9, you found the reason and your speed was increased many folds. नेहा, आप ऐड करने में इतना टाइम लगा रहे थे, अगर आपने जस्ट देख के ये 9 को इग्नोर कर देते, सपोज इफ आई गिव यू दिस क्वेश्चन So you will take 3 minutes to add.
9.
But now you can ignore and the answer is in front of you. So that is what is called as Vedic maths. At every moment, visualization and will play an important role. क्वेश्चन को देखना पड़ेगा आपको. मैथ्स की तरह सिर्फ लिखने में अगर व्यतीत करेंगे टाइम की जो है जल्दी बस लिखता रहूं और लिख के कर लूं तो लिखने से नहीं होगा सॉल्व. At every point of time you will find this thing. So visualization would be the focus and then you get the answers. Now, since we ignored 9. So digit sum is also called as Nava Shesh. Nava means 9, Shesh means remaining. Right. This is another name of digit sum. Also, this is called as digital root. Also, it is called as नेहा आपने होमवर्क नहीं किया था.
सर मैंने सेंड किया था आपको, पर्सनल पे भेजा था सर.
अच्छा ठीक है, होमवर्क जरूर करना है. देखो थोड़ा सा भी हो बट यू हैव टू डू. एंड द फोर्थ नेम इज बीजांक. बीज अंक. Correct. So the same concept has 4 different names. Navashesh, digital root, Bijank. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So your homework for today is one exercise 2, step 1. Exercise 1 नहीं अभी की हमने, exercise 2 पहले है. Correct. This is one thing. Very easy. You just have to add, but I would request ki add mentally. Try to be more faster. 48 questions hai, 47. Try mentally. Any doubt in Bijank? You can ask me. Then I'll move further.
No, sir.
Now, why we did this? Why are we doing Bijank? Why are we adding numbers? What is the reason behind it? So now we'll start the application. So today we'll get the answer to the question I was asking, how to check your answers. Let's say I have any question 843 plus 367, let's say. Yes, what is the answer? Neha, nikalo.
1 to
Whatever
1.
method you know in addition, just find out the value.
One 1110.
One to 1 0. 1 to 1 0.
नहीं हम
सर 2 होगा.
हम नेहा से चलेंगे.
सर
डबल
हाँ 1
जीरो.
1 0 होगा सर.
नहीं नहीं वो कोई बात नहीं, वो 2 कर लेंगे बाद में. अभी आपके आंसर से चलेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा, because then you'll understand the problem. Yes. Now, what is digit sum of 843?
6 6.
Yes, Neha. 843 digit sum क्या है? भूल गए अभी से?
6 सर।
इतनी देर नहीं चाहिए, फास्ट। 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 6. What is digit sum of 367?
7.
इन दोनों के बीच में प्लस का साइन है। 6 plus 7 कितना हुआ? 13. 13 मीन्स
4.
4.
करेक्ट। नेहा, क्वेश्चन पार्ट का आंसर आ रहा है 4, आंसर पार्ट का आ रहा है 2। क्या ये ठीक हो सकता है? नो। बच्चा यही गलती करता है ना, और फंस गया, पकड़ी गई मिस्टेक। नाउ इफ द आंसर वाज 0 1 1 2, तो what is the digit sum of answer part? Again 4.
4.
So question part हम करते नहीं थे, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड, तो क्वेश्चन पार्ट इज इक्वल टू आंसर पार्ट। क्लियर नाउ?
Yes, sir.
सो आपकी गलती से ही आपको समझाया कि व्हाट इज द मिस्टेक एंड हाउ टू रेक्टिफाई, बिकॉज द मिस्टेक व्हेन यू चेक विद द डिजिट सम यू विल इमीडिएटली अंडरस्टैंड देयर इज अ मिस्टेक। नाउ इवन अ क्लास 1 स्टूडेंट कैन चेक देयर एडिशन क्वेश्चंस। आप बोल रहे हो सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लो, ये कर, दैट इज जस्ट irrelevant because we don't understand. We talk about at our ages कि ऐसे कर लीजिए। just think about the class first beginning step। ये तो ऐसे हो गया कोई बाहर खड़ा है, उसको गाड़ी चलानी नहीं आती और उसको आप गाइड कर रहे हो, नहीं तू गाड़ी चला ले भाई। बच्चे को कैसे आएगी?
So what happens if there is a digit swapping, like instead of 1210, it's like 1120?
Sorry, come again.
Like if somebody wrote answer like 1120, the digit sum would be still 4 then.
Now this what you are talking about, Raju, that is one small, you can say, error that could be there. But
Mhm.
can a person make two such small two same mistakes at the same time? Or
Yeah, that's possible. Like
no, I'll tell you about that. See, when we are generally doing, then we make mistake one or two things, but not like this.
yeah.
And the main advantage of digit sum will come when you'll see MCQs solved, right?
Mhm.
But yes, what you are saying is not incorrect. This error can be there, and even some students of class 8th 9th can raise such questions because they will try to make you can say they will try to trap the teacher.
Mhm.
Yes.
So then I would say when we'll be talking about small kids, this will function.
Yeah.
But this system has one loophole. What you talked about is correct. For that, there is another way out, but that becomes complicated. And for that, minimum a student should be 8th class. Then only
Mhm.
he'll be able to understand.
Okay.
You got the problem. Did anybody else got? No, because they
No.
never think like that. You are going
Mhm.
negative because you are into IT. So you are trying to, make different what you can patterns out of it.
Like in mathematics, what we say is like when there is a postulate or a certain like let's say hypothesis, we have to always find
Yes,
how it
nahi,
doesn't work, right?
you are 100% correct in addition. In addition, what you are saying is 100% correct. That's what I said. This is one small error if somebody is able to judge.
Yeah. So
But
I just wanted like there should be another postulate or like a subset.
I'll give you, just wait up till we complete all these 8 methods, then I'll tell you.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Right. But that is correct. You being into IT could understand this.
Mhm, yeah.
Okay, one more question. 324, 226. Yes, find the answer and check with digit sum.
One.
What one?
आंसर आएगा से दोनों का वन आएगा वन.
पहले आंसर तो पता चले, आंसर लिख के आएंगे कि स्कूल में
550. 550.
550.
See, the method is first answer, then check with the digit sum, and then you need to see what I generally say my students is, don't ask me this thing, is this a answer? So first day I teach them this concept only. Like with you, I taught you the concept, why Vedic maths. To the children, they don't need what is Vedic maths. They know, they want to know how they can be helpful to their maths. So to them, we teach first digit sum. So we always teach them, don't ask this question, is this answer? Rather say, this
Is
is
the answer.
answer. And
Yes.
it is correct. So वो
Yes.
correct कब बोलेगा जब वो digit sum 9.
Yes, sir.
9 plus 1. That means 1. Here also it is 1.
One.
Correct. So is this answer also has the same words? This is the answer also has the same words, but the difference is here it is question mark and here it is sign of exclamation. Got it? Yes, Neha, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts in addition? So entire addition you can check. So whatever, if you have some books of kids, you can check. Otherwise, we have addition questions. So try some questions with your method, not with Vedic maths method, your method, and try to check whether the answers are coming correct or not. Right. So this is the first approach to check addition. Second, we'll not go for subtraction. First, we'll go for multiplication because we did multiplication yesterday. So today we did one question, 576 into 121. Yes, we did. And the answer we got 69696. Remember?
Yes, sir.
So how to check? Again, see 576. What is the digit sum?
9.
15 plus 5.
9. 9.
9.
9.
Sure.
Here,
Oh,
4.
4.
Now,
4.
anything you multiply by 9,
36. Answer is
that is
9.
again 9. Always. You can say 36, then also it will be 9. Check the
9.
table of 9. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81. All are 9 only. So whenever you multiply anything with 9, the digit sum will change to 9 only. If you check here, so 9, 9, ignore,
9
18
ignore,
means
18.
9.
the 18 plus
Clear?
1 by
So that means
Yes,
this
sir.
was correct. नेहा समझ आया? ये हो चुका था आज पहले जब आप आए. 141 into 22. We found 3102, if you remember. So check now. Is it correct or not? Check.
24.
Correct.
6, right?
6.
6 आएगा sir.
तो 6 into 4, 24, फिर 6. और उधर भी देखो
3 plus 1 plus 2.
24. Yes, now Raju, are you observing this multiplication?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
One more question I'll give you. Let's find out because this we have done. Let's say 999 into 123. Answer, you find out. I know the answer, but I think you should try. But yes, whatever time you might take today, this answer you will be able to find within 2 seconds. After you learn some.
सर 123 से कैसे करेंगे?
मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसे क्लास कोई नहीं लगाई थी? नॉर्मल मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो। अभी मैंने तो कहा ये तो नॉर्मल है, पर ये मेथड ये आपको जब सिखा दूंगा तो ये 2 सेकंड का काम है। आज आप करो अपने मेथड से। आज टॉपिक सिर्फ चेक करना है आंसर्स। वी आर नॉट डूइंग एनी वैदिक मैथ्स मेथड।
सर मुझे एक अलग मेथड आता है, 122 877, इसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन का आंसर है ये।
चलो उसको चेक कर लो ना, वो ठीक है आंसर। अभी आज चेक करना है मैम।
Six, nine, nine.
सर दोनों का 99 आ रहा है।
9
करेक्ट। वो तो 9 इसलिए
Yes.
आएगा ना, एक साइड अगर मल्टीप्लिकेशन में 9 है तो 9 ही रहेगा। यू कैनॉट, इट कैनॉट बी डिफरेंट। जस्ट नाउ आई एक्सप्लेन यू। एक और कर लो। 365 into 101. So answer is 368 65। पर आप निकालो आंसर। Yes, Raju, what is the answer?
Just doing, sir. Not very complicated.
1 1
What is the answer first?
36865 4015
368,
40 तो आएगा ही नहीं ना, मल्टीप्लिकेशन है। इट इज 368 36865।
Yes, sir.
सो अगर उसको चेक करें तो 5
सर 11 आएगा, 11।
1, दिस इज गॉन।
सर मेरे को शॉर्टकट आता है,
1
365 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 101 इज 100 प्लस 1।
122
उससे भी शॉर्टकट बता दूंगा।
877.
उससे भी शॉर्टकट है एक।
इससे भी शॉर्टकट है सर एक।
सर 999 का मैंने 100 माइनस 1000 माइनस 1 किया था सर।
नहीं वो नहीं करना,
उससे भी शॉर्टकट है।
उससे भी शॉर्टकट है। सी वैदिक मैथ्स में 6 7 टेक्निक्स हैं। जो 9 वाला क्वेश्चन है वो 5 6 तरीके से हो सकता है सॉल्व।
सर 999 वाले में ना मैं 1000 माइनस 1 कर देती हूँ तो उससे मल्टीप्लिकेशन इजी हो जाता है।
आपने इतने स्टेप्स कर लिए, उसकी बजाय 123 में से एक माइनस किया, कितना आ गया? 122। ठीक है, 9 में से 1 गया 8, 9 में से 2 गए 7, 9 में से
9 में से
3 गए, इस तरीके 9 में 2 गए 7।
सर वो वाला मेथड आप सिखाओगे ना, अभी नहीं सिखाया।
सारे ही करेंगे मैम, चिंता मत करो। और उसके बाद आप नए मेथड्स भी डेवलप कर लोगे थोड़े ही दिनों में।
9, some 9 आ रहा है। There is some.
राइट, सो एनी क्वेश्चंस?
अलमारी में है।
Yes. Any questions, Neha?
सर नो।
Raju?
No, sir.
Yes, Rakesh? Manisha?
No, sir, no.
No, sir.
So now what is left? First is subtraction we need to check. Then we need to check division. And division is where we have different kinds of numbers. Squares, cubes, square root, cube root is not difficult at all. Only division is see, you need to understand from two perspectives. One, you have to clear your doubts. Second, you need to understand from the perspective of a small child, class third, whom you have to teach. So after next class, I'll say start teaching children, because to the kids you have to teach this is the first topic, digit sum, so that the first day only they start saying, yes, I am correct. And the day they'll start saying this, yes, I am correct, they'll be doing wonders. Second, so 2 days it will take for them. For us, it will not take much time. Then 2 to 3 days will take for tables. In one class, you will be teaching all the 9 tables. In the other class, you will be teaching the other table, and then the general method. And then one class, you can take multiplication and dodging. So 5 classes means if you're taking alternate classes, 2 weeks program is done. So I would suggest to everyone that start teaching from 3rd, 4th class. 3rd, 4th class of mine means, and students should also be for standard 3rd, 4th. Because when you will teach someone, you will have more queries. You'll come out with your problems. And that is where learning actually starts. Just listening to the videos, listening to me, it will not solve the purpose. Rat to chuke hain. Like Neha knows most of the things. But ye nahi pata ki how to implement everything in accordance. Yeah, how to teach it to the kid in accordingly. Correct. So for that you need to understand this. Start teaching. I'll be guiding you, and you can do. Right. And anything else?
No, sir.
And please do the homework exercise 2. Step 1 I have mentioned, and I'll be sharing video after sometimes, right? Chalo. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.